up, everybody? It's Fisher Dude 410. I'm here with Captain Brian Ellis. We're out here in Gunpowder River, Joppatown, Maryland.
I thought it was 420.
No, it's 410 now.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, 420 is a little not family friendly.
Gotcha.
So I went 410 to represent Maryland, you know.
Does that mean I have to re-like and resubscribe?
No, no, you don't. You don't.
We are going to the subpar perch area. Oh, we meant where legends catch?
Yes, legends only. On the 1060. Woo! Let's get after it. Boom, right on it. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Little yellow perch. Little yellow perch. Let's go. Get the party started on a minnow. Let's get the party started. Nice little yellow perch. Boom! Little white. It's a 3 species kind of day. Just a little white perch. We'll take them. Nothing too crazy. Just a little guy. Whoop. Just put that anywhere. Toss them. Nice, gentle. Oh, I threw my fucking minnow off, dude. Going for the bomb. Oh. Oh, yeah. Another nice little yelp. Getting bigger, getting bigger. Dude, that's decent. Dude, nice. Nice little yellow. I'm on. Boom! Crappie, dude! Fucking crappie! Fucking A, dude. Fucking A. Look at that. Yeah! Another slab in the boat. Yeah. That's what's up. Very nice. Looks like I'll be trying out that new fillet knife. Yeah, Walmart special. Hold him up there, Brian. Oh yeah. Another fish in the boat. Boom. Ooh. Oh, I'm on. Another crappie. Oh, he got off. Dang. Plus. I thought you were going to have another one in the cooler. Dude, shoot me in the foot. Good thing we moved. Yes, it was. The right place at the right time. Tautog, walleye. Tautog. White perch, yellow perch. Oh yeah. Got another one. Nice crappie On. Really? Good size. Yeah. Excellent. All right. Let's do. Yes. Oh. We doubled up on some yellow perch. Yeah.
Double yellow.
Double yellows. First time using the hook tool that Stacy got me. Want a minute?
Display them properly.
Oh yeah.
Displaying them properly would be like laying them up open.
That's trash.
What are you guys taking a picture? A YouTube video?
Hell yeah.
Oh, that's right. I heard you're Mr. YouTube now.
Yeah.
Look at him.
What we got going on here, Brian?
We got a batter with some seasonings. What you want to do here is shake up the bag.
Little Old Bay hot sauce.
That's what I'm gonna use.
Hell yeah. Get in there. Oh dang.
It's good. I would catch these again.
Oh yeah. Hey, thanks for checking out the video. That was awesome. It started out as a fishing video, but ended up as a catch and cook. Slammed some crappies out there on the Gunpowder. Caught some nice slabs. Thanks to Brian for cooking them up for us. They were delicious. Yeah, they were great. Some golden crispies. Yeah, thanks for checking out the video. See you on the next one.